Welcome to the Vox Craft AI Studio training video series. This tutorial will show you how to create a script for your video in Vox Craft AI Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Text to Speech. Here you can generate voice scripts for your videos. Just add the title. You can use your generated AI content in the Content section. Or you can create your own. Select Voice Creators from the list. Select Output Volume from drop-down. Speaking Rate. Click on Generate Vox and your script will be ready. You can generate video from it by choosing the transcribe language. You can listen to it.
Artificial intelligence, AI, has become an essential tool in digital marketing.
You can view. Or delete it. Thanks for watching the video.